All right, and here we go again. The goal for this week is to get all of this structure built and inspected and begin insulating. So let's get to work, slacker.
We got 200 years of history. We got the greatest nation on earth. 200 years of culture since the moment of our birth. Well, we invented ice cream. We invented jazz and blue jean pants. You think our entertainment might be somewhat advanced? Instead, we like to watch some cars go driving in a circle. Guys become celebrities for going round and round. We're fascinated by the way they're driving in a circle, round and round and round and round and round. Now we give our money great gobs and sums and piles to men whose only skill would be to drive 500 miles. Well, I've driven that far and more without ever being passed. Not a single crowd was cheering me as I went flying past. Oh, but how we love to watch those cars go driving in a circle. Guys become celebrities for going round and round. Oh, wow, let me get this straight. They're driving in a circle, round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Slack-jawed, we're like infants. We love shiny things with sound, and we're hypnotized and mesmerized. It's a mobile going around. It's like waiting for the paint to dry. It's like watching your garden grow. And if you all like watching traffic, why don't you just look out the damn window? Oh, but how we love to watch those cars go driving in a circle. Guys become celebrities for going round and round. Hey, y'all, come look and watch them driving in a circle, round and 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 round, round and round and round. Good fences make good neighbors. Good shutters make good homes. I can talk the talk on the front sidewalk, but inside I'm alone. Well, this here land is my land, and this here land is yours. For all the good of the neighborhood, we're gonna keep the rules in force. And I'm really only happy when sequestered inside my little castle on the hill. Anything to keep from being pestered. Oh, and crossing my...
All right, so we're ready for inspection. So I got all the final nailing down. I made sure the drain for the toilet had the proper slope on it. Put in some metal strapping, and I capped off the drain for the old washer and drain. So I'm going to have to figure out something to do for my washer, but that's easy. Otherwise, we're ready for inspection. Did a final nailing. Obviously, have the plastic vapor barrier over the concrete, and that'll be integrated with the using tape with the foam that's going to go underneath the joists. That supports the insulation. And yeah, so now waiting for the inspector. I'm going to be starting to prepare for the insulation by putting in my my little 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch nailers, and yeah, can't wait to get the inspection done and then roll on.
It was fine until they got here. Now everyone is getting up in arms. The good old days were days when they were not here. Why must they be different? I don't see the charm. Some busybody persons gonna let the riffraff in. Well, I'm no snob, but tell this mob there's no room at the inn. Well, this here land is your land. This here land is mine. For all the good of the neighborhood, we're gonna keep you all in line. And that's why we've decided that you're going. Except we need a place to put you all for now. A place to keep the winds and change from blowing. A place for scary strangers that we won't know, can't allow. Every man wants a bigger truck. All the women want a bigger man. All the children want a bigger yard. Ain't nobody happy where they am. 'Cause it's never enough. I got to have more stuff. It will never do for me to have less stuff than you. It's happy birthday to me.
All right, so yeah, that really sucks. Putting insulation from below in a tiny crawl space, but accomplished what I wanted to. It's almost a full 8-foot sheet of styrofoam with 2 layers of R19. Now the R19 I pulled out of here that I'm recycling is, I rolled it up really tight. It compressed. It stayed compressed, and so it's not going to inflate to the 7.5 inches. So I just doubled it up. So this is under the closet, which is the largest area that I have to do, where I have to get under there. The only other area that I have to do is to crawl under is the bathroom on the street side, on the other side of this bathroom here. And then I got to do one bay under there that I had to take out because it got wet. So that's it for crawling around. The rest is going to be from above. So that's a relief. Anyway, it's time to do some more.
It will never do for me to have less stuff than you. It's happy birthday to me. When it's seen on TV, surrounded by my closest things, sure enhances my opinion of me. Oh, but it's never enough. I got to have more stuff, and it will never do for me to have less So now, when I die, bring out your shovels and your plows.
All right, folks. So finally got a bunch of insulation in. Passed inspection yesterday and started going crazy. This is just really slow work because of, well, the detail of going around, the plumbing there. And then, of course, the big block of concrete with all the structure around that, joining up my little wood slats around the nailer. This undoing underneath this closet was the first thing I did because it was by far the worst. Now I've just got to keep trucking. I may be able to get most of this done tomorrow. This is going to be far easier than everything else has been. I probably won't get to that section tomorrow. I might just do a bunch of this and then say I'm done for the week because I'm pretty beat. Yeah, so certainly inspection should be able to occur next week, early next week. And then I can get subfloor down. Anyway, gotta keep trucking.